Good afternoon, students. Now we discuss about the lecture that is beta decay. So, beta decay is the process of emission of electrons from nuclei. Here, one question arises: how the electrons are emitted from the radioactive nuclei? Answer of this question supports the Yukawa's meson theory. According to this theory, neutrons and protons are held together by exchange of pi mesons continuously between them. So electron emission takes place in the following two processes. So spontaneous conversion of neutron into proton by ejecting a pi minus meson, and pi mesons decays into electron and an anti-neutrino. Here neutrino converted into proton plus pi minus meson. So pi minus meson decays into electron and anti-neutrino. So the whole equation can be written as neutron converted into proton plus electron plus anti-neutrino. When neutron converted into proton, so then these three are emitted from the radioactive nuclei. So the equation of beta minus decay can be written as that is a parent nuclei, so that is x z a, that gives y z plus 1 a, so this is daughter nucleus, plus beta 0 minus 1 beta minus particular electron, so plus antineutrino. So in beta minus decay, the mass number remains unchanged while atomic number increases by 1. So similarly, the positron emission takes place on the spontaneous conversion of proton into a neutron by ejecting pi plus meson, and pi plus meson decays into a positron and a neutrino. Here a proton converted into neutron plus pi plus meson, then it immediately converted into two particles, those are positron and neutron. So the whole equation written as the proton converted into, so that is neutron plus positron plus neutrino. So in this case, when proton converted into neutron, so that process takes place within the nucleus, so immediately these three particles are emitted from the radioactive nuclei. So the equation of beta minus decay can be written as x z a, that is a parent nuclear mother nuclei, that gives y a z minus 1, that is a daughter nuclei, plus beta plus 1 0 plus neutrino. When this process takes place, it converted into one nuclei, and two particles are emitted when decay process takes place in beta plus decay. In positive beta decay, the mass number remains unchanged while atomic number decreases by 1. So that can be seen here. So here mass number remains unchanged while atomic number decreases by 1. So energy, linear momentum and angular momentum all are conserved in beta plus decay and beta minus decay. Now energy released in different process of beta decay. So in electron emission, that is a beta minus decay, here here neutron converted into daughter nucleus, and electron, antineutrino, and some energy releases here. So where E suffix beta minus is the energy released in beta minus decay, so that can be written here. So these three terms keep this side. So therefore x z a minus y a z plus 1 plus electron plus antineutrino. Here let mass of initial nucleus or mother nucleus, that is x z a, that is equal to m of a comma z. So mass of final nucleus y a z, that is equal to m of a z plus 1. Here y of a z plus 1 is equal to m of a comma z plus 1. So the mass of the electron, that is Me, the rest mass of antineutrino is 0. So this 0. Therefore, these two terms having. So therefore, mass defect during beta minus decay, that is called delta M, is equal to, so these two terms. So this is the rest mass of antineutrino 0. So therefore, these two terms keep only these two terms. So therefore, that is m of a comma z minus m of a comma z plus 1 minus mu. So according to Einstein mass energy relation, the mass defect converted into energy. So that can be written E is equal to delta m into c square, where c is velocity of light. Therefore, the equation 1 can be written as, this equation can be written as E suffix beta minus m of a comma z minus m of a comma z plus 1 plus minus here, minus take common, so here plus, so this whole bracket, so plus m suffix e into c square, so total bracket into c square. This is the energy difference between two states of parent or mother and daughter nuclei. So the condition for beta decay here, the mass of mother nuclei greater than the sum masses of parent nuclei and sorry, the sum mass of daughter nuclei and mass of electron. Now positron emission, so beta minus decay. So beta, I'm so positron emission, that is beta plus decay. Beta plus decay can be expressed as, so here proton converted into, so here, so proton converter, so here x z a, that gives y z minus 1 a plus positron plus neutrino, where e plus E suffix plus 0 is beta plus decay or positron. The rest mass of neutron is 0 simply. So beta plus decay energy can be written as here E plus beta. So this is 0, this is 0. Therefore these two terms of keep this side. So therefore E plus beta is equal to m suffix x minus, here minus take common. So my plus m suffix e into c square. So this is energy released in beta decay. So this can be m suffix c can be written like, so m suffix y can be write like, so m suffix c here, m suffix c means mass of positron into c square. So this is the condition for, so the condition for beta decay occurs, the mass of mother nuclei or parent nuclei greater than the sum masses of daughter nuclei and mass of positron. In this way, the energy calculated in beta plus decay and beta minus decay. So thank you students. Now see the answer from starting to ending. Don't forget subscribe my channel. So beta decay. So beta decay process, beta decay particles are radiation emitted from the radioactive nuclei. When proton converted into proton converted into neutron or neutron proton. So in that case, beta plus particle and beta minus particle emitted from the radioactive nuclei. Please students, don't please students subscribe my channel.